Hello, Benny. How you doing today?
Hey, Baba Tamron, how are you today?
Today we're going to do something totally different than normal.
Oh, wow. I'm ready, Baba Tamron.
And the reason why I'm doing something different is because I want to make it fun and engaging.
All right. I like fun, Baba Tamron.
All right, today, Benny,
Yes.
and viewers.
Hey, everybody.
Hi.
Hey.
Today, we're going to name that animal sound.
All right. That sounds fun, Baba Tamron.
All right, so on my wall, we're going to see different animals. And I want you to tell me, how does that animal sound?
All right, Baba Tamron. Let's go.
You ready?
Yes, Baba Tamron. I'm ready.
Are you ready? All right, let's get ready. This animal, and I want you, Benny, to make the sound of that animal. Are you ready?
I'm ready, Baba Tamron. Let's go. Let's go.
All right, here we go.
Oh, wow.
What is that animal, Benny?
That is a cat, Baba Tamron.
Wow, can you make a cat sound?
Meow, meow.
Did he make a great cat sound?
Did I?
Yes, good job, Benny. That is a cat sound.
Baba Tamron.
What, Benny?
Oliver has a cat.
Really?
Yes, he does. And he'll sit on my foot sometimes, and he'll go, meow, meow.
Oh, that's so sweet. Now, Benny, you know, in a couple of episodes, we talked about adjectives. Do you remember what adjectives are?
Yeah, Baba Tamron, I believe so. Yes, Baba Tamron.
What is an adjective? What can you give me an example of an adjective as it relates to Oliver's cat?
Let's see. Oliver's cat is black. It's black, Baba Tamron.
Oh, so Oliver has a black cat.
Black cat.
So what did you describe?
I described black, Baba Tamron.
You described the color of the cat.
The color. Yeah, Baba Tamron.
All right, can you tell me something else about Oliver's black cat?
Let's see. He has a long tail.
Oh, what did you just describe, Benny?
His tail?
And his tail is what?
Long.
He has a long tail.
All right.
Great job,
I
Benny.
get it.
Great job, Benny. All right, so now, excellent. That was excellent. Now let's look at the next picture.
Yes.
What is that a picture of, Benny?
Oh, that's a dog, Baba Tamron. That's a dog.
Is he correct? Is that a dog? All right, so now, Benny, how does a dog sound?
Woo, woo.
Woo!
Woo.
Okay, Benny, okay, Benny. All right, Benny. I see you like the dog, don't you?
Yeah, Baba Tamron, I do. I have a dog too, Baba Tamron.
You have a dog?
Yes, I do.
I did not know that.
Yes, I have a dog.
All right, so, Benny, can you describe the dog?
My dog is brown and white.
Wow, he has two colors?
Yes, he does, Baba Tamron. Yes, he does.
All right. Now, can you tell me something else about your dog?
My dog is so fluffy.
Ooh, fluffy. That's
Fluffy.
definitely, that's telling me how he feels when you touch him, isn't it?
Yeah, Baba Tamron.
Wow, that's very interesting, Benny. Thanks for sharing that with me.
Oh, you're welcome, Baba Tamron.
All right, so here's another picture right here.
Woo. That's a horse.
That's a horse, isn't it?
Yeah, Baba Tamron. That's a horse.
Do you know what a horse sounds like?
No, Baba Tamron. That's a horse.
You ready to hear how the horse sounds?
Yeah.
All right. Can you say that? All right. That's a pretty good horse, Benny, for the
All
first
right.
time that you said one.
Mama Terra, that's funny. I
Oh,
like that. That's funny.
Oh, yeah, okay. All right, all right. All right, let's look at this next picture.
Ooh. What is that? What is that, Mama Terra? What is that?
You don't know what that is?
No, Mama Terra, what is that?
Have you ever seen Lion King?
I have Mama Terra. Oh, that's a lion.
That's right, that's a lion. I gave
lion.
him a clue so you didn't know what it was.
I did not know about
So, can you make a lion sound?
I don't know. Does he?
Ooh,
Oh, Mama Terra, you scared me.
that will scare you, wouldn't it?
That scared me.
That
Mama
would
Terra.
scare anybody because
He
a
scared
lion,
me, everybody. He
a lion
scared
made
me.
I didn't mean to scare you, Benny. Okay, I didn't mean to scare you.
I know, Papa Terra.
I was having fun with you.
I know, Papa Terra.
All right, but that's a lion sound, and with that sound, it'll scare anybody, wouldn't it?
It does, Papa Terra. It scared Benny.
Did it scare you? Yes, it did, because it scared Benny. And I didn't mean to scare you, Benny. You okay?
I'm wonderful, Papa Terra.
All right, all right. So let me go down my list and show you. Oh, here's one. Look at this one.
Oh, wow. What is that? I've seen that at the zoo, Papa Terra.
What is that? What is that animal you think?
Is that a monkey?
Yes, it is. You ever make a you know how a monkey sounds?
I don't know, Papa Terra. I don't know.
Well, I'm gonna get up for this one because I have to get in the role play of a monkey.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put my pencil down. I'm gonna show you what a monkey looks like. You like to see Bob Tiger I got silly, don't you?
Yeah, Papa.
Well, I gotta make it fun.
Oh, that was fun.
All right, so yep, that was a monkey. All right, we got two more, and they both begin with the letter S. You remember what the letter S sound like, Danny?
It sounds like.
That's great. That is right. So the next two begin with the letter S, and they make the sound. Ready?
Yeah, Papa Terra.
All right, here's one.
That's a sheep, Papa Terra.
Is that a sheep?
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah!
Great job, Benny. That is a sheep. Now, you know how a sheep sound?
Yo, Papa Terra, no, I don't. No, I
Okay,
don't.
you
No,
want
I
me to
don't.
act silly again?
Yeah, I like it when you act silly.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Now, this one's not as silly as the monkey, but it sounds like this. Bah, bah, bah. Great. That's the sheep sound.
All right.
And here's one. Ooh, I wouldn't want to mess with this letter S. Look at this one.
Ooh.
Yeah, I see you twirling like a snake, aren't you?
It's a snake.
That is a snake.
It's a snake. That's a snake.
And it's a special type of snake.
Oh, what type of snake is that?
It is a rattlesnake.
Oh, a rattlesnake.
And the reason why I picked the rattlesnake is because it has a special sound at the end of its tail.
Oh, I see. What is that, Papa Terra? What is that?
It's a rattle.
It's a rattle. What does that do, Papa Terra?
You ever had a baby rattle and you rattle it when you was a baby?
Yeah, Papa Terra.
But that's what it sounds like. It sounds like. You laughing at me again?
Papa Terra is so funny, isn't he, boys and girls? He is so funny.
I tried my best. So it sounds like a rattle. And you know why it rattles?
Why, Baba Tara? Why?
Because someone is trying to hurt it.
Oh,
and
wow.
sometimes it makes that sound to protect itself.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that, Baba Tara. I didn't know that.
So would you want to mess with a rattlesnake?
Oh, no, Baba Tara. I'll leave him
Would
alone.
you want to mess with a rattlesnake? No, don't mess with a rattlesnake because it is very dangerous, and when it bites you, it can make you very, 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 very sick. We don't want that to happen to you, so leave the rattlesnake alone.
Leave it alone.
All right. So, Benny, did you have fun with our animals today?
Yes, I did, Baba Tara. I learned a lot. I always learn a lot when I'm with you, Baba Tara.
So, what did you learn today, Benny?
I learned about the sounds that a sheep makes.
And how does a sheep? What's the sound of a sheep?
Bay. Bay.
Very good. Very good. What else did you learn today?
I learned the cat. Meow. Meow.
Is Benny correct? Does a sheep go bah, bah, and a cat go meow, meow? Very good. What else did you learn today? One more thing.
The lions are roar.
Whoa, Benny! Whoa, Benny! That was woo! I didn't know you had it in you, Benny.
Yes, I did, Baba.
You scared me that time. Oh my! Did he scare you? Woo! Okay, Benny. All right, Benny. Great lion impression. Great line impression. So yes, we learned a lot today, didn't we, Benny?
Yes, we did, Papa Tara. Yes, we did.
Did you learn some things too? Well, if you did, I would like for you to pick one, your favorite animal that you learned something about, and put it in the comment section. All right? I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please hit that subscribe button.
Don't forget to subscribe, everybody.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.